Launching a successful business demands a solid foundation, a well-defined roadmap. This roadmap, your business plan, acts as your blueprint for navigating the often turbulent waters of entrepreneurship. Within this plan lie four crucial divisions, each playing a vital role in your journey towards prosperity. Preparation and self-reflection lays the groundwork for your venture. Here, you embark on a deep exploration of your own strengths, weaknesses, and motivations. This introspection allows you to identify your unique entrepreneurial fit and lays the foundation for a values-driven business. Number 1, know yourself. Assess your strengths, weaknesses, and motivations for starting a business. Self-awareness helps you identify your entrepreneurial fit. Imagine embarking on a grand adventure without knowing your own strengths, weaknesses, and motivations. That's kind of like starting a business without taking some time to know yourself first. Just like a superhero needs to understand their superpowers and kryptonite, you need self-awareness to navigate the exciting, yet challenging, world of entrepreneurship. Number 2, define your values. Identify the core principles that will guide your decision-making and shape your business culture. Imagine your business as a big ship, sailing through the vast ocean of commerce. To navigate the stormy seas and reach your destination, for a business, that compass is its core values. Defining your values is like etching those guiding principles onto your ship's mast. They're the fundamental beliefs that will shape every decision you make, every interaction you have, and ultimately, the kind of company you build. Number 3, develop a growth mindset, embrace learning, and adapt to change. Wealthy business owners are lifelong learners. Imagine learning to ride a bike as a kid. You start out wobbling, falling, and scraping your knees. But with each try, you get a little bit better. Eventually, you're coasting down the street with the wind in your hair. That's the essence of a growth mindset, believing that you can learn and improve over time, just like learning to ride a bike. Think of your brain like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. When you embrace challenges and learn from mistakes, you're actually building new neural pathways and strengthening existing ones. This means you're becoming smarter and more capable with every obstacle you overcome. Now, think of wealthy business owners. They didn't just get lucky. They faced setbacks, made mistakes, and even failed sometimes. But they never gave up. They used those experiences as stepping stones to learn and grow. They embraced a growth mindset. Division 2, idea generation and validation shifts focus to the external landscape. You delve into identifying a problem worth solving, assessing the market, and validating your idea through rigorous research. This division ensures your venture addresses a real need and has the potential for success. Number 4, identify a problem. Find a problem that people are willing to pay to solve. Focus on unmet needs or gaps in the market. Imagine you're walking down the street and you see someone struggling with a heavy bag. They're clearly frustrated and could really use some help. In that moment, you identify a problem. People need an easier way to carry their belongings. This is the essence of finding a problem worth solving in business. It's about looking around you, observing the world, and identifying things that make people's lives difficult, inconvenient, or frustrating. These are the unmet needs and gaps in the market that represent opportunities for your business to flourish. Think of it like this: you're a detective searching for a missing puzzle piece. The puzzle is people's lives, and the missing piece is a solution to a problem they face. Your job is to find that piece, create it, and offer it to them in a way that makes their lives better. Number 5, evaluate your idea. Research the market, analyze competitors, and assess your potential for success. Don't be afraid to pivot if necessary. So you've got this amazing business idea brewing in your head, but before you dive headfirst into making it a reality, it's important to do some research and check the business water temperature. This is where evaluating your idea comes in. Think of evaluating your idea like testing the recipe before you bake the whole cake. You wouldn't want to use all the ingredients and spend hours baking only to find out it doesn't taste good, right? So, what exactly does evaluating your idea entail? Here's a breakdown. Research the market, analyze your competitors, assess your potential for success, and don't be afraid to pivot. By following these steps and being open to adaptation, you can increase your chances of developing a successful business plan and turning your dream into a reality. Remember, starting a business is a journey, and the most important thing is to be prepared and adaptable. So, evaluate your idea, test the water, and get ready to bake a delicious cake. Number 6. Test your assumptions, get feedback from potential customers, and validate your idea before investing heavily. Imagine you're baking a delicious cake. You pour your heart and soul into it, using the best ingredients and following your grandma's secret recipe. But before you invest tons of time and money decorating it with fancy frosting and edible flowers, wouldn't you want to make sure it actually tastes good? That's exactly what testing your assumptions is about. Before you dive headfirst into launching your business idea, it's important to get feedback from potential customers and make sure it truly addresses a problem they have and are willing to pay for. Division 3, Planning and Strategy, marks the transition from concept to concrete action. You craft a comprehensive business model, devise a captivating marketing plan, and develop a robust financial projection. This division equips you with the tools and strategies necessary to execute your vision. Number 7. Set SMART goals. Define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals to track your progress. Setting SMART goals is like crafting a map to your success. It's about making your dreams specific, clear, and achievable, so you can track your progress and celebrate every step of the way. Here's the breakdown. S is for specific. Be crystal clear about what you want to achieve. Instead of saying get healthy, aim for run a 5K in 3 months. M is for measurable. Choose goals you can track and measure. This helps you stay motivated and see if you're on the right path. A is for achievable. Your goals should be challenging but realistic. Don't set yourself up for failure by aiming for the impossible. R is for relevant. Make sure your goals actually matter to you and align with your overall vision. T is for time-bound. Give yourself a deadline for achieving your goals. This creates urgency and helps you stay focused. For example, instead of saying I want to be more productive, try, I will finish all my work reports by the end of the week. This is a SMART goal because it's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant to your job, and has a time limit. Number 9. Develop a marketing plan. Identify your target audience and craft messaging that resonates with them. Imagine you're throwing a party. You wouldn't just send invitations to everyone in the phone book, would you? No, you'd invite the people who would actually enjoy the party, right? Marketing your business is like throwing a party. You need to identify the people who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer, and then craft a message that makes them want to come to your party, or, in this case, buy your product or service. Developing a marketing plan may seem like a lot of work, but it's an essential step in building a successful business. By taking the time to identify your target audience and craft messaging that resonates with them, you can attract more customers and grow your business. Number 10. Develop a financial plan. Project your revenue, expenses, and cash flow to ensure financial viability. Imagine your business as a car. You need to know how much fuel, money you have, how far you can drive, how much you can spend, and when you need to refuel, how much income you need. Developing a financial plan is like creating a map for your business car. It helps you track your progress, make informed decisions, avoid breakdowns. So, how do you create this map? Here's a breakdown. 1. Project your revenue. Estimate how much income you expect from sales, subscriptions, or other sources. Think about your pricing, marketing strategy, and sales pipeline. 2. Project your expenses. List all your business costs, including rent, salaries, marketing, and supplies. Be realistic and factor in potential unexpected costs. 3. Project your cash flow. Track how much money is coming in and going out each month. This will help you identify if you have enough cash to cover your expenses and avoid running out of fuel. Don't worry, you don't need to be a financial expert to do this. There are plenty of free online tools and templates available. You can also seek help from a financial advisor or accountant. Remember, Your financial plan is a living document. As your business grows and changes, you need to revisit and update your projections regularly. By taking the time to develop a solid financial plan, you're giving your business the best chance of success. Think of it as investing in a full tank of gas for your entrepreneurial journey. Finally, Division 4, Execution and Adaptability, propels you into the dynamic world of business. Here, you build a strong team, delegate tasks effectively, and monitor your progress closely. This division emphasizes the importance of continuous learning, adaptation, and resilience, ensuring your business thrives in the face of inevitable challenges. Number 11. Break down tasks. Make your plan actionable by setting clear milestones and deadlines for each task. Imagine you're building a LEGO castle. It's super cool, but it's also a big project. You wouldn't just dump all the pieces on the floor and try to assemble it all at once, right? You'd break it down into smaller steps, like building each tower separately. That's exactly what breaking down tasks is all about. It's taking your big plan and dividing it into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes it easier to get started, stay focused, and actually finish your project. Think of it like setting milestones along your journey. Each milestone is a smaller goal you need to reach before moving on to the next one. It's like putting a flag on the map every time you conquer a section of your castle. And just like you wouldn't leave your castle incomplete, you wouldn't want to leave any tasks unfinished. Setting deadlines for each step helps you stay on track and avoid procrastination. It's like having a friendly alarm clock reminding you to keep building those towers. Number 12. Build a strong team. Surround yourself with talented and motivated individuals who complement your skill set. Imagine building a house. You wouldn't try to do everything yourself, right? You'd need a team of skilled people like electricians, plumbers, and carpenters to make your vision a reality. Building a successful business is the same. Surrounding yourself with a strong team is crucial for turning your ideas into thriving ventures. Just like you wouldn't expect a plumber to paint your house, you need to find people with diverse talents and strengths. This means seeking individuals who complement your own skills and experience, filling in the gaps and bringing fresh perspectives to the table. Think of it like a puzzle. You have some pieces, but you need others to complete the picture. A talented marketer can reach your audience, while a skilled programmer builds your website. A detail-oriented accountant ensures financial stability, while a creative designer brings your brand to life. But it's not just about their skills. You want people who are passionate, motivated, and share your vision for the company. These individuals will be your allies, your sounding board, and your support system during the inevitable challenges of building a business. Remember, building a strong team is an ongoing process. You need to invest time and effort in finding the right people, nurturing their talents, and creating an environment where they can thrive. But the rewards are immeasurable. A strong team can make all the difference in your entrepreneurial journey, propelling you towards success and beyond. Number 13. Delegate and empower. Trust your team to execute tasks and empower them to make decisions. Imagine you're the captain of a pirate ship. You have a whole crew of talented pirates, each with their own strengths and skills. It would be pretty silly to try to do everything yourself, right? Delegating and empowering your team is like being a smart captain. You trust your crewmates to handle tasks that fit their skills, freeing you to focus on navigating the bigger picture. You encourage them to use their creativity and problem-solving abilities instead of micromanaging every detail. Number 14. Monitor and adapt. Regularly track your progress, analyze results, and adapt your plan based on market changes. Imagine you're planting a garden. You wouldn't just throw seeds in the ground and walk away, right? You'd watch how they grow, check if they need more water or sunlight. That's exactly what monitor and adapt means for your business plan. It's like constantly tending your garden to make sure it grows healthy and strong. Here's how it works. 1. Track your progress. Think of it like checking the weather every day. You keep an eye on how your business is doing, like sales, customer feedback, and how much money you're making. 2. Analyze results. Now it's time to be a detective. You look at the data you gathered and try to understand what it all means. Are things going smoothly? Are there any areas where you could do better? 3. Adapt your plan, just like adjusting your watering schedule based on the weather. You might need to tweak your plan based on what you learned. Maybe you need to change your marketing strategy, adjust your pricing, or even pivot your product entirely. Your business plan isn't set in stone. It's a living document that should evolve with your business and the market. By monitoring your progress, analyzing results, and adapting your plan, you're ensuring your business is constantly learning, growing, and staying ahead of the competition. So, remember, just like your garden, your business needs your constant attention and care to flourish. So get out there, monitor, analyze, and adapt, and watch your business bloom into something truly amazing. Number 15, learn from mistakes. Embrace failures as learning opportunities and use them to improve your business. We've all heard the saying, mistakes are made. But in the world of business, where success and failure can feel like life and death, those mistakes can be especially scary. Here's the good news: mistakes are actually a valuable part of the learning process. Every misstep, every blunder, every whoops moment can be a stepping stone to becoming a better business owner. Remember, every successful business owner has made mistakes. The key is to learn from them and keep moving forward. By embracing failures as learning opportunities, you can turn your mistakes into valuable assets that will help you build a stronger, more resilient business. With these 15 insights into the minds of wealthy business owners, you now hold the keys to unlocking your own entrepreneurial potential. Remember, your business plan is a living document, evolving alongside your venture. Embrace the journey, learn from your mistakes, and never lose sight of your vision. With dedication, perseverance, and the wisdom gleaned from these strategies, you too can forge a path towards entrepreneurial success and build a legacy that endures. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.